Roblox has been growing for 15 years, driven by our community, driven by the awesome content.
Gaming was the foundation around which the metaverse was developed. Various multiplayer games have demonstrated that persistent worlds could be created, while games like GTA Online popularized virtual real estate and commerce. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Sandbox and Roblox, two metaverse giants. What's the difference between the two platforms? Which platform will come out on top? Which of them has the bigger gaming community and why? Which should you invest in? These are the questions that would be answered in today's video. Welcome to Flores Online Explains, the YouTube channel that wants to make a difference. Flores Online Explains, who is that? This is the question that you're certainly wondering. Well, I'm Flores. I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. See, I studied law at university, and I work in a sector where helping people is the #1 objective. Helping and advising people fits my personality. See, I've been in the crypto world for several years now. Besides that, I also teach and inform people about crypto, NFTs, and the stock market. I help them understand what they're doing before investing in the same. So subscribe to my channel and start learning about crypto, NFTs, and even the stock market. I hope to see you on my channel. In fact, I recommend you start with these 4 videos: The Sandbox Explained, What is Web 3.0, NFT Explained, and Is Ledger safe for your NFTs and crypto? Check it out. What is Roblox? Roblox is a gaming platform that is extremely popular among young children, with over half of its users being under the age of 13. Daily active users increased by 31% to 47 million in the third quarter of 2021, compared to 36 million in the third quarter of 2022. These people are also paying more, increasing the number of hours engaged by 29% to 11 billion. Roblox appears to come in part for the fact that it includes a variety of games, some of which include virtual worlds, the metaverse, where players may interact with one another. Roblox allows millions of children to socialize without ever leaving their homes. Kids are notoriously fickle, so Roblox's job will be to keep these players as they get older, hopefully preventing them from leaving the platform in favor of the next big thing. Hosting events is one way Roblox hopes to keep its younger user base interested. Roblox recently asked David Guetta, a well-known celebrity, to perform a DJ set as a digital avatar on Roblox. Concert goers were able to connect with other users by navigating through a digital world and participating in activities such as DJ and dance battles. This was only the most recent in the string of Roblox-hosted events. Ava Max, Why Don't We, Royal Blood, and 21 Pilots have all performed on Roblox in the past. Roblox is attempting to boost the popularity of its events, which have a majority of players aged 13 and up. These events, which the company calls Aged Up, are beginning to take hold. In the third quarter of 2021, 28% of the top 1,000 experiences had been aged up, compared to only 10% the year before. This should be a successful strategy because these performances provide players an incentive to stay on the site even when other gaming options begin to appear more tempting. Because the majority of Roblox's revenue comes from the purchase of its digital currency, Roblox keeping users on the platform is very essential. The company collaborated with Vans, a skateboarding and apparel company, to create Vans World, which allows users to buy Vans merchandise from their digital avatars. In its first month, this experience drew over 40 million visitors. Other brands are likely to see the importance of having a presence in the metaverse, and Roblox should be able to demonstrate that it has the experience and success to host such brands. What is the Sandbox? The Sandbox is best known for its 2 big mobile hits, the Sandbox 2011 and the Sandbox Evolution 2016, which together have had over 40 million downloads on iOS and Android. Pixowl, a mobile game developer and publisher, decided to transfer its popular user-generated content, gaming IP, and big community of artists to the blockchain environment in 2018. The goal of the Sandbox is to disrupt existing game developers such as Minecraft and Roblox by giving creators actual ownership of their creations in the form of non-fungible tokens or NFTs and rewarding them for their contributions to the ecosystem. The Sandbox has a very strong brand and social component with notable residents such as Snoop Dogg, A$AP Rocky, deadmau5, Care Bears, The Walking Dead, Atari, the Winklevoss twins, and numerous others buying up land in its metaverse. The Sandbox blockchain gaming platform is made up of 3 products that work together to deliver a complete user-generated content or UGC production experience. Users will profit even more from the merged products because they will be able to ensure copyright ownership for their user-created material using blockchain and smart contracts. The 3 products are Vox Edit, the Sandbox Marketplace, and Game Maker. Vox Edit. This is a free 3D voxel modeling and NFT creation application for PC and Mac that lets users design and animate 3D objects like humans, animals, cars, greenery, tools, and stuff. Objects can be exported from VoxEdit into the Sandbox marketplace to become NFT game assets once they've been produced. In the Sandbox marketplace, users can upload and publish and sell NFT creations created with Vox Edit on the Sandbox's NFT marketplace. To provide decentralized storage, creations are first uploaded to an IPFS network and then registered onto the blockchain to establish ownership. After that, creations become assets that may be sold by placing an initial sale offer on the marketplace where potential purchasers can then buy them. Next up, the Sandbox Game Maker. This is a free tool that allows anyone to create fantastic 3D games. Accessible visual scripting tools eliminate the need for coding, allowing you to build spectacular 3D games in minutes. Creators like you help to build a large metaverse full of incredible interactive creations and experiences. Do you really want to know more about which metaverse game is better? Stay tuned, because you're really gonna need to know this. The Sandbox is a metaverse giant, but Roblox might be able to rival or even surpass it in the nearest future. Roblox provided a picture of what's next for the fast-growing online multiplayer platform that's like catnip for kids and teens at its annual developer conference in October 2021. Roblox co-founder and CEO David Baszucki spoke about plans to improve player avatars, introduce new in-game monetization streams, and streamline the experience for developers creating the user-generated content that has helped the community become a massive success at the intersection of gaming and social networking in his keynote. Roblox is recognized for its blocky, simplistic character models and game graphics, but the company's exponential development hasn't been hampered by the design. Roblox is still aiming to make player avatars more lifelike and customizable. This will fit nicely with the company's goals of keeping the platform appealing with its younger core user base of all ages and enabling a wide range of self-expression throughout its limitless hub of virtual worlds. Roblox has made a few significant modifications in this regard. The first is layering clothing, a visual improvement that will make avatar costumes more realistic and dynamic, allowing you to wear your favorite Roblox virtual jean jacket, whether you're a humanoid or a dinosaur. Clothing will fall around avatars and drape naturally, like it would in a more photorealistic game. The new Roblox avatar changes attempt to add more flexibility and realism to the blocky Lego-like aesthetics that have become synonymous with the site. The modifications, according to Bronstein, are a huge evolution of the avatars that are at the heart of the Roblox social experience. Self-identity is a crucial pillar of the metaverse, and the ability to precisely customize your clothing to your unique avatar is paramount in personal expression, Baszucki said in a side note. Roblox has a lot of financial incentives to make its virtual fashion scene more sophisticated and lifelike. Given the thriving business of selling in-game items, it also has to compete with Epic Games, which sets the bar with its Fortnite character designs and brand agreements, which can bring in $50 million in a single transaction. Roblox has its own brand and IP deals, but the more good-looking virtual items you have for sale, the better. Roblox has also revealed plans to provide limited edition products, an intriguing new option for individuals to generate money. That is in the form of Robux, which can be traded for real money. From the game's thriving in-game economy, Roblox creators can sell objects they create for a limited time or in a limited run, adding to collectible element to the game's well-established virtual economies. Which of these platforms do you think you'd invest in? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I hope you've learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update, and I really hope to see you again. Continue learning about crypto, NFT, and the stock market.